I'd like to show you some of the ways you can capture your screen here on a Mac. So I have a summary just here, which I'm systematically going to work my way through just now. So how to copy the entire screen to the desktop as a file? Well, let's hold down the Command and Shift keys and tap the number 3 key. As soon as I do that, a small preview will pop up in the bottom right corner just here. And a moment after that, we see a new file appear on our desktop just here. Moving on, how to copy the entire screen to the clipboard. Well, it's the same keyboard shortcut we just used with the addition of the Control key. So holding down Command, Control, and Shift, tapping the number 3 key. As soon as I do that, the entire screen is copied to the clipboard, and just to prove that worked, jumping into Photoshop, Edit, Paste. Sure enough, there's my screen just there. Moving on. Copying a portion of the screen to the desktop as a file. So let's hold down Command and Shift and tap the number 4 key. Now, as soon as I do that, my cursor becomes a crosshair, like so. Now, if I wish to cancel out at this point, it's very easy. You can just click and release with the mouse, or just hit the Escape key. But I'm thinking I would like to capture the top of the Layers panel here in Photoshop. So I'm just going to click, drag, and release. Basically, just drag out the area that you want to capture. As soon as I release my mouse, again, that preview will pop up in the bottom right corner just here. And again, in just a moment, we see a new file appear on the desktop just here. So let's look at our last option just here, how to copy a portion of the screen to the clipboard. Again, same command as before, but we just include the Control key. So holding down Command and Control and Shift, tapping the number 4 key. Again, we get that crosshair. Let's copy the Photoshop Tools panel. So I'm going to click, drag, and release over that. And as soon as I release my mouse, it copies that to the clipboard. Again, just to prove that worked, into Photoshop, Edit, Paste, and sure enough, there it is just there. So that's it there, guys. I hope that helps you with your capturing of your screen here on a Mac. Catch you later.